Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make tamago corn soup. It's corn and egg soup that tastes exactly like the one you have at Chinese restaurants. Very easy, comforting, and you can make it in no time. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with the soup, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Canned corn, the cream style one, not the kernel one. 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of potato starch or corn starch, 1 tablespoon of Chinese soup stock or chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and some salt and pepper. This is the Chinese soup stock I'm using today. Let's put canned corn and 1½ a can of water in the pot. One and ½ a can. Turn the heat on and just heat it up. In the meantime, let's slice some green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut it into half. Put them together. Cut them into half. Put them together. And just make thin slices. And let's beat the eggs in a small bowl. The soup is hot now, so let's season it with soup stock and some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper to your taste. And let's add the eggs little by little as you swirl the soup. Then the thickener. So here I have 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Let's add 1 tablespoon of cold water. Give it a good mix so that there is no lumpy starch. Turn the heat off and add the starch water as you stir it. Turn the heat back on and cook for a minute over medium-low heat. It's nicely thickened. Turn the heat off and let's add the sesame oil. Give it a stir. And it's done. Let's serve in the bowl here. Put some green onion and tamago corn soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so simple, quick, and easy to make, but it's surprisingly flavorful and comforting. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Tamago corn soup goes here, and how about ebi churhan here? There is enough protein in these 2 dishes, so let's pack the main. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about onion salad for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!